In this video, we will learn how to solve problems involving similar shapes where the scale factor is either known or can be found. In this activity, we're going to first work through enlarging by scale factors 2 then 3, and then we'll move on to reducing by scale factor 2 and 3. For your first activity, you are asked to enlarge each shape by scale factors. Let's have a look at what a scale factor means. So here we've been asked to enlarge by scale factor 2. Now the first important part of this is the word enlarge. To enlarge something, it means we're going to increase the size. It means the new shape will be bigger. Now the scale factor simply tells us how much bigger we need to become. So to enlarge by scale factor 2 means that the new shape will be twice as big. It will be 2 times bigger, or it will be double the size. Now we can simply start by looking at each side of the shape. So we could take this side, for example. It has a width of 1. This has a width of 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2. And in our new shape, each of those sides would need to be doubled. So our new shape would be 2 along, 2 down, 2 across, 2 down, 4 along and 4 up. Let's take a look at what the new shape would look like. So our new shape here, we can see it's double the original shape. This part here is double the original shape. This part here is double the original shape, and the remaining sides are all double the original shape. So we have enlarged, we've increased it, it's got bigger, it's got larger by scale factor 2, which means it is 2 times bigger. It is double the original shape. Here we're going to enlarge by scale factor 3. Again, enlarge, so we're getting bigger. We are increasing the size of our shape, but by scale factor 3 simply means that we are going to increase each side by 3. We're going to multiply each side by 3. It will be triple the size of the original shape. Let's take a look. So you can see in this shape, if I go to each side, this is 3 times larger than this. 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 And then this, which was 2, is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 is 3 times larger than this. And our last side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 3 times larger than this. So when you see your scale factor, it simply tells you how many times bigger it needs to go if we're enlarging. The next activity we're going to look at reducing. So on your sheet, you're asked to reduce each shape by scale factor 4. So here we've got a reduce. That means we're going to get smaller. We have scale factor 2, but what this means, it needs to be 2 times smaller. So to undo timesing by 2, we need to divide by 2. Our new shape would be 2 times smaller, or half of our original shape. So we need to divide by 2 in this instance. Let me label each of these sides. And actually each side of my cross is 2. If I'm going to reduce each side, the new shape will have all of the sides as 1. So here we can see 1, every side is 1. We have reduced our shape by scale factor 2. We have divided it by 2. If we went to this shape, this would be enlarging it by scale factor 2 because it's doubled it. But from this shape, to undo the enlarging, we reduce by scale factor 2. So when you reduce, you divide by the scale factor. And when you enlarge, you multiply by the scale factor. This one is reducing by scale factor 3. So reduce means to divide by 3. Let's label each of these parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 3, and 3. So to reduce this by scale factor 3, each of these parts needs to be divided by 3. And in our next shape, we've got 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. And if we check, 6 divided by 3 is 2. All these 3's divided by 3 are 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then all of these 3's divided by 3 are 1. So that's how you reduce or enlarge by scale factors. Remember, to reduce means to get smaller, so you divide. And to enlarge means to get bigger, so you multiply. And you multiply or divide by the scale factor. Okay, give that activity a go on your worksheet now. Well done, you've completed the video and the activities where we've been looking at solving problems involving similar shapes, where the scale factor is known or can be found. I hope you've had fun learning about scale factor and thinking about how we find things that use a scale in real life. When you feel confident, print off the past stats questions and you can see how this type of question has appeared in past exams. Okay, print those off, give it a go, good luck.